Verbs in Igbo language are derivative. That means new words are formed using Igbo verbs. Dalu Onyomam Oko Learn Igbo with Naza. Welcome back to Learn Igbo with Naza, a place where language meets culture. So today we're going to be looking at 10 different verbs in Igbo language and examples with these verbs. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be a part of this amazing family. Alright guys, now verb in Igbo language is called ngwa. Let's say it together. I want to go. Ngwa. Ngwa. That's what verbs are called in Igbo language. Ngwa are verbs. Verbs in Igbo language are derivative. That means new words are formed using Igbo verbs. So verbs in Igbo language is called ngwa. Ngwa. And verbs in Igbo language are derivative. Now the first verb you're going to be looking at is ga. Let's say it together. I want to go. Ga, ga, and ga means go. Ga means go. Ga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Now, ga ụlọ akwụkwọ means go to school. Ga ụlọ akwụkwọ, go to school. Ga ụlọ ụka. Ga ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka is church. Ga ụlọ ụka, that means go to church. Gaa ebe ahụ. Gaa ebe ahụ. Now, gaa ebe ahụ is go to that place. Gaa ebe ahụ. Now, the first example is gaa ụlọ akwụkwọ. Let's say it together. I want to go. Gaa ụlọ akwụkwọ. Well done. The next one, gaa ụlọ ụka. Gaa ụlọ ụka. Gaa ebe ahụ. Gaa ebe ahụ. Well done. Number 2 is rie. Rie, and rie is eat. Rie, rie means eat. Rie nri gị. Rie nri gị. That means eat your food. Rie nri gị. Eat your food. Rie ya ọsịsọ. Rie ya ọsịsọ. Eat it fast or eat it quickly. Rie ya ọsịsọ. Now let's try out the verbs. We want to go. Rie, good. Rie, the examples. Rie nri gị. Rie nri gị. Eat your food. Rie ya ọsịsọ. Eat it quickly. Rie ya ọsịsọ. Eat it quickly. Well done. Now the first verb is what? Ga, good. And the second one is rie, perfect. Now the third one we are going to be looking at is ta. Ta. Let's say it together. I want to go. Ta. Ta. Well done. Now ta means eat or bite. So ta is either chew or bite. Ta, bite or chew. Taya. Taya, bite it or chew it. Taya, bite it or chew it. Ta achịcha ahụ. Ta achịcha ahụ. Bite that bread or chew that bread. Now, ta can also represent eat depending on the context. Okay? So, ta achịcha ahụ. Eat that bread, bite that bread, chew that bread. Taya, eat it, bite it, or chew it. All right? Okay, now let's try the verb once again. Ta, again, ta, perfect. Now the examples. Taya, taya, eat it. Ta achịcha ahụ, eat that bread, chew that bread, bite that bread. Fourth one is rụọ. Rụọ. Let's say it together. I want to go. Rụọ. Rụọ. And rụọ means work. Rụọ is work, like the verb, okay? Rụọ, work. Rụọ means work, okay? Rụọ ọrụ gị. Rụọ ọrụ gị. Do your work. Rụọ ọrụ gị. Do your work. Now the next one, ṅụọ. 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 And ṅụọ means drink. Ṅụọ, drink. Let's say you want to go. Ṅụọ, drink. Ṅụọ, drink. Well done. Ṅụọ mmiri gị. Ṅụọ mmiri gị. Drink your water. Ṅụọ mmiri gị. Drink your water. Ṅụọ mmiri gị. Drink your water. Gaa ṅụọ mmanya ahụ. Gaa ṅụọ mmanya ahụ. Go and drink that drink. Gaa ṅụọ mmanya ahụ. Go and drink that drink. The first one, ṅụọ mmiri gị. Ṅụọ mmiri gị. Gaa ṅụọ mmanya gị. Now let's try the verb. Ṅụọ. Ṅụọ. For the last time. Ṅụọ. Well done. Next verb. Mee. Mee. Want to go? Mee. Again. Mee. Good. Now the sentences. Mee ihe m gwara gị. Mee ihe m gwara gị. Let's try it. Want to go? Mee ihe m gwara gị. Do what I told you. Mee ihe m gwara gị. Do what I told you. Mee ya ugbu a. Mee ya ugbu a. Do it now. Mee. Let's try it. Want to go? Mee. The sentences. Want to go? Mee ihe m gwara gị. Good. And then the next one. Mee ya ugbu a. Well done. Now the next one is sie. Let's say it together. I want to go. Sie. Again, let's go. Sie. Good. Sie nri gị taa. Sie nri gị taa. The verb sie. Sie. The sentence. Sie nri gị taa. Sie nri gị taa. Okay? Now the next sentence. Sie ya n'ite. Sie ya n'ite. The first one. Sie nri gị taa. Cook your food today. Sie nri gị taa. Cook your food today. Sie ya n'ite. Sie ya n'ite. Cook it in the pot. The verb sie. Well done. Were is take. Were, take. Let's go. Want to go? Were, take. Good. Let's try it one more time. Want to go? Were, take. Well done. Were efere gị. Were efere gị. Take your plate. Were efere gị. Take your plate. Were ngaji ahụ. Were ngaji ahụ. Take that spoon. Were ngaji ahụ. Take that spoon. So the verb is were. The verb is what? Were, take. Were efere gị. Take your plate. Were ngaji ahụ. Take that spoon. The next one is wete. 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 And wete means bring. Wete means bring. Now the first example is wete ya ebe a. Wete ya ebe a. Bring it here. Wete ya ebe a. Bring it here. Wete ya ka m hụ. Wete ya ka m hụ. Bring it, let me see. Wete ya ka m hụ. Bring it, let me see. Wete, bring. Well done. Wete ya ebe a. Bring it here. Wete ya ka m hụ. Bring it, let me see. Well done. Now the next verb we're going to be looking at is chọọ. Chọọ. Let's say it together. I want to go. Chọọ. Again. Chọọ. Well done. Chọọ ya ebe ahụ. Chọọ ya ebe ahụ. Chọọ ya ebe ahụ. Look for it there. Chọọ ya n'ụgbọala nne m. Chọọ ya n'ụgbọala nne m. Look for it in my mother's car. Chọọ ya ebe ahụ. Look for it there. Chọọ ya n'ụgbọala nne m. Look for it in my mother's car. Chọọ, look for. Chọọ, look for. Chọọ ya ebe a. Look for it here. Chọọ ya n'ụgbọala nne m. Look for it in my mother's car. The next verb is saa. Let's say it together. I want to go. Saa. One more time. Saa. Good. And saa means wash. Saa means wash. Saa ebe ahụ. Saa ebe ahụ. Wash that place. Saa ebe ahụ. Wash that place. Saa n'ime ụlọ gị. Saa n'ime ụlọ gị. Wash in your room. Saa n'ime ụlọ gị. Wash in your room. Saa, wash. Saa n'ime ụlọ gị. Wash in your room. I hope you learned a whole lot in class. Okay, let's try out mentioning 5 different verbs. 1, ga, which is go. Ro, which is walk. Sie, cook. And then you have one, drink. Well done. You did absolutely well today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also mention the verbs you learned, and don't forget in the comment section. All right, guys. Bye.